Are you suffering from joint pain, inflammation, or constant lack of energy? There is a simple, natural solution that can restore lightness of movement in just 15 to 20 days. Prepare a golden cocktail. Mix 1/4 teaspoon turmeric to improve blood circulation and a pinch of black pepper to activate metabolism. Add the main secret, 1 teaspoon Moringa powder. This is a superfood that reduces inflammation and provides a powerful energy boost. Pour the mixture into a glass of warm water and drink it in the morning. For the remedy to work, remove noise foods from your diet. Raw vegetables, cabbage, and eggplant. Ayurvedic practices also include the use of the herb Shallaki, Boswellia, traditionally used for joint comfort, along with magnesium glycinate to support muscle relaxation and vitamin D3 for overall bone and joint health. Try this approach, and your joints will thank you. Subscribe to the channel to learn more secrets of health and longevity. Your joints are like hinges in a complex mechanism. If they have become rusty from inflammation, this drink acts like a smart lubrication that simultaneously cleans the system and restores smooth movement.